Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to watch NBA basketball games, whether it's your local team or your favorite matchup across the country. Save a few bucks on streaming subscriptions. All right, so first up, if you want to watch out of market games, meaning your favorite team isn't in your area, you'll need NBA League Pass. Just head over to NBA.com, click on League Pass at the top, and you'll see a few plan options. The regular League Pass is about $19 per month, and the premium one's around. The premium plan lets you stream on up to 3 devices, download games for offline viewing, and yeah, no commercials, which is super nice if you're watching a lot. Now, if you're after those big national games like Lakers versus Celtics or Suns versus Warriors, those usually air on ESPN, TNT, or ABC. To stream them, the most affordable choice right now is Sling TV. They've got 2 plans, orange and blue, each with a different set of channels. The orange plan gives you ESPN, Disney, Freeform, and the blue one adds Bravo, Fox News, MSNBC, stuff like that. You can even combine both if you want. And hey, Sling usually runs promos like half off your first month, so maybe check that before signing up. Now, if you want to watch your local team, like the Pistons in Detroit or the Clippers in LA, those are usually shown on regional sports networks or RSNs. Most of those are now on Bally Sports. So just go to ballysports.com and check if your local team's covered there. You can browse upcoming games, sign in, or, make a free account real quick. And that's it. 3 simple ways to catch every NBA game live this season. If this helped you out, go ahead and tap like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.